NUVO stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Holdco NUVO Group stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Looking at NUVO, we're sitting at approximately 282, 46% down for the day. So just brutal, just a brutal stuff. But it was like to be expected, because it's just a random pump and dump and stuff. But like I said, if I was really trying to be a part of the trend, I would love to see a double break above this point here, and then which is where I would probably enter in the lower time frame. But we never got this, just into the dust. We got left into the dust, but no trades taken, no losses, no gains. So honestly, like a random pump and dump, I just think the next arc is going to be the lows, but I'm not really in any trades here. This is just my speculation and idea. I'm not going to comment on that anymore, but if you want to learn my strategy for free, check the first link in the description. It's everything that I've been working on for the last 4 years. It's free, made free.